Welcome friends. Today I will tell you the second step of fund disbursement on MPLAD portal. And just see, log into the main ID, IA main ID, then go to my module, development work, work management, then manage work assignment. Just select the work which you want to do for payment. Just the second step is vendor identification. Click on here, attach the quotations and the bills of the vendors here. This file will be not exceeded than 10 MB. Then click on submit. Now click here and you have to select the vendors which you have been submitted on this portal. First, if you want to be pay out for the labor, just select personal, select the state of the vendor, then the district of the vendor, then click on search. Here you see the vendor here, just click on it, then click on OK. Then if you have a multi vendors, go here and select other one. Just I have 3 months. Select all these for this work. These are 4 vendors for this single work. I have an edit here. After that, you have to click on submit. That will OTP on IA main ID. Fill the OTP and click on submit. This is the second part. I will give you a third part next. Watch this video, like and subscribe my channel for the MPLAD web portal learning. Thank you.